Center. I'll be making a full video there. Watch and enjoy. Remember to like, comment, and share the video.
Nature. It's a little chilly over here because we're closer to the water.
They closed.
See all of these towns in, what you call it, Puerto Rico. Snowflakes. So scared of the people over there. So scared. Look at them. I'll see one of these in their life. No, it's not duplicate. I just want to make sure that some of the items have multiple repeats or whatever. It's on the PC. Okay, yeah. So I just want to make sure you got those. That's all. No, you're good. Is that why Lafayette called me too? Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you. No, you're good. All right. Thank you.
I'll be right there.
What's in there?
I'll be right there. Looking at you.
She's scared. Say it jumping.
He's not moving right now. Yeah, my move. Yeah. Might take some sun. temperature kind of get higher since. Where are we?
I got a little coffee in me, so you know.
It's getting cold. So that was it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe and click the post notification bell.